RBG color mixer. It is a just one project. In this project, I use Arduino Nano, RBG, and 3 tactical switches. Question I asked to ChatGPT is how to connect Arduino Nano, 3 tactical switches, and RBG. Button 1 represents red, button 2 represents green, and button 3 represents blue. These are primary colors. With these colors, you can make any color. Makes 2 colors. Red plus blue equals to pink. Red plus green equals to yellow. And green plus blue equals to sea green. Finally, let's mix all 3 colors. It gives us white color.